Hey guys, my name is Anshuman. Today's video is with biological classification. First, non-scientific classification based on human needs. Did you know who is Aristotle? According to the Google, he is known as father of biology and zoology. It was the Aristotle who taken first scientific attempt to classify living organisms. This classification is based on morphological characters. He classified plants into three categories: trees, shrubs and herbs, and animals into two groups, those had red blood and those did not. Later Carolus Linnaeus came up with two kingdom classification: kingdom Plantae, that include all plants, and kingdom Animalia, that include all the animals. This classification is reasonable for that time because it is easy to distinguish between immobile plants and mobile animals. Limitation of two kingdom classification. In two kingdom classification we cannot distinguish between prokaryotes and eukaryotes, unicellular and multicellular organisms, photosynthetic and non-photosynthetic organisms. Carolus Linnaeus, this classification is not impeccable. That's why two kingdom classification proved to be an inadequate system recently. These shortcomings of two kingdom classification is overcome by R.S. Whitaker in 1969. Three kingdom classification. Ernest Haeckel create a new kingdom for unicellular eukaryotes, which is kingdom Protista. Four kingdom classification given by Copeland. He introduced kingdom Monera for all prokaryotes. Five kingdom classification. In 1969, R.S. Whitaker divided living organisms into five kingdoms. They are Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. The main criteria for this classification used by him, he include cell structure, body organization, mode of nutrition, phylogenetic relationship. Now we discuss three domains of life. When Carl Gauss realized that Archaebacteria are differ from Eubacteria, so he divided kingdom Monera into two groups. By the way, he divided living world into three domains. They are Archaea, bacteria and Eukarya. Archaea, this is a single domain which includes Archaebacteria. Bacteria, this domain includes single-celled microorganisms that are prokaryotes. This domain includes eubacteria. Eukarya, this domain includes organisms with complex cell. They have a two nucleus. In this domain, all organisms are eukaryotes. And this domain includes all other living forms, for example, plants, animals, fungi, etc. By the way, you know, eukaryotic organisms have 80 S ribosomes, while prokaryotic organisms have 70 S ribosomes. Kingdom Monera. Bacteria are the sole member of Kingdom Monera. Bacteria can found anywhere, including extreme habitat like hot springs, desert, and deep ocean. Their structure is simple, but their behavior is extremely complex. Some bacteria are autotrophs, while other bacteria are heterotrophs. But majority of them are heterotrophs. Now we see autotrophic bacteria and heterotrophic bacteria. Autotrophic bacteria. These bacteria can synthesize their food from inorganic substance. They may be photosynthetic autotrophs or chemosynthetic autotrophs. Heterotrophic bacteria. They are those bacteria who depend on other organisms for their food. They may be saprophytic or pathogenic. In Kingdom Monera, we study about Archaebacteria, eubacteria and mycoplasma. Archaebacteria, they are ancient bacteria. Archaebacteria differ from other bacteria. They have rigid cell wall which help them to live in extreme conditions. They are capable to survive in highly salt concentration, low pH and more extreme conditions. This group divides into three categories of Archaebacteria: methanogens, halophiles, thermoacidophiles. Methanogens are those bacteria which produce methane gas. These bacteria found in marshy areas. They also exist in intestine of ruminant animals like cows and buffaloes. Halophiles, they can live under extremely saline and salty concentration. Thermoacidophiles. A fact about thermoacidophiles, they can survive in 80 degrees Celsius temperature, where other bacteria cannot survive. Eubacteria, they are advanced bacteria as compared to Archaebacteria. They characterize by presence of rigid cell wall which is made of peptidoglycan. Photoautotropic cyanobacteria, also referred as blue-green algae. Cyanobacteria is example of photosynthetic bacteria. They have chlorophyll A, which is similar to green plants. Some of cyanobacteria can fix atmospheric nitrogen in their specialized cells known as heterosis, example Nostoc and Annabena. Some eubacteria are chemoautotrophs also. They oxide inorganic substance, nitrates, nitrites and ammonia and use release energy for their ATP production. They also play a great role in recycle nutrients. Now we see useful aspects of bacteria and blue-green algae like Annabena have a special cell heptosis for nitrogen fixation. They also help in antibiotic production. Lactobacillus is a non-pathogenic bacteria which is responsible for curd formation. Now we see harmful aspects of bacteria. Some bacteria are responsible for disease, like cholera and typhoid. Vibrio cholerae is responsible for cholera. Salmonella typhus is responsible for typhoid. Did you know microplasma are the smallest living forms? Microplasma have did not any cell wall. They show pathogenic nature for plants and animals. Microplasma, also known as PPLO, which mean pleuropneumonia-like organisms. They can survive without oxygen. I hope this video is auspicious for your preparation. If you want any assistance from me, so you can follow my Instagram account, which are Discovery Dan and Luminous Lan. Next video we see Kingdom Protista in detail. And thanks a lot for watching this video. I am filled with gratitude.